Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We'll be taking a deep dive into the Lenovo Thinkphone by Motorola, a powerful smartphone that combines the best of Motorola's expertise with Lenovo's innovation. If you're in the market for a high-performance device that offers cutting-edge features and rugged durability, then you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. The Lenovo Thinkphone by Motorola sports a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. It features a premium build quality with rugged specifications such as IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD810H certifications, making it resistant to water, dust, and drops. With a weight of just 188.5 g and dimensions of 158.76 by 74.38 by 8.26 mm, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and durability. The Thinkphone boasts a stunning 6.6-inch POLED display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 FHD+ and a pixel density of 402 ppi, you can expect sharp, vibrant, and immersive visuals. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or working on detailed tasks, the Thinkphone's display offers a fantastic viewing experience. Under the hood, the Lenovo Thinkphone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, coupled with an Adreno 730 GPU and 8GB LPDDR5 RAM. This powerful combination ensures smooth multitasking, lag-free performance, and the ability to handle resource-intensive applications and games with ease. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or playing the latest mobile games, the Thinkphone delivers impressive performance. The Thinkphone offers ample storage space with 256GB of internal storage. This allows you to store all your important files, documents, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of space. In terms of connectivity, it supports dual nano SIM cards, ensuring you can stay connected on multiple networks. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, you can enjoy fast and reliable wireless connections. The Lenovo Thinkphone is equipped with a powerful camera system. At the rear, it features a 50MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, allowing you to capture stunning photos with rich detail and vibrant colors. The 32MP front camera ensures you can take high-quality selfies and enjoy crystal-clear video calls. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a business professional needing to capture important moments, the Thinkphone's camera won't disappoint. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Thinkphone provides all-day battery life to keep you powered throughout your busy schedule. You can enjoy hours of usage without worrying about running out of charge. Additionally, the phone supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge your device and get back to work or play. The Lenovo Thinkphone runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, providing a user-friendly and intuitive interface. You'll have access to a wide range of apps, customization options, and security features. Lenovo's software enhancements further optimize the user experience and provide additional functionalities tailored to business users. The Lenovo Thinkphone by Motorola is a reliable and versatile smartphone that combines durability, performance, and advanced features. It's the perfect companion for professionals who need a device that can keep up with their demanding lifestyle. If you're in search of a smartphone that can handle rugged environments while offering top-notch functionality, the Lenovo Thinkphone should be at the top of your list. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the features and capabilities of the Lenovo Thinkphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more technology reviews and insights. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care and stay connected. Goodbye.